channel. My name is Brianna, or Bree for short. If you're new, welcome as always, and if you're returning, thank you so much for tuning into my video. So on today's video, I wanted to do I've been on this growth journey, and if you watched a couple of videos back, at the beginning of the year, I did discuss that I wanted to do grow my hair out. And recently, not too long ago, for some reason, I'm still trying to figure out what may have happened. My hair broke off really bad. I can tell, everybody knows their hair. Everybody knows when it's thinning out, when it's growing and all that stuff. So I can obviously tell that something happened and my hair basically broke off a lot, especially in the front. It was super thin and everything. So that's what this video consists of the product of how my hair went from basically thin and breaking off to now it's growing back. And you want to know what the product is, you can obviously see it by the title, but just stay tuned and keep on watching. Today we're discussing rice water. I finally gave it a try, and that's what I've been using consistently for the past 2 months. Rice water, to me, in my opinion, basically a hair growth product that has been around for a very long time, but it became popular more recently in the United States. But it originated from women in Japan, the Yao women. Hopefully I'm saying that correctly, I do apologize. Basically they use rice water as a hair growth serum or a hair growth, I really don't know what to really call it. They use rice water in general to help grow their hair. If you've seen the Yao women, you know or seen that they have really long, thick, pretty hair. And so I've watched a couple of videos, but I wanted to try it out for myself. What I did was I bought some jasmine rice. I don't think you need any particular rice. In general, I just bought jasmine rice, and I took a mason jar and a bowl, and basically what you do is you put the rice in a bowl and you pour water into it. I use bottled water. I don't think you need to use any type of tap water or anything. You just use whatever you have. While you're cleaning the rice, you can see that the water does change colors. It does come this starchy color, and so that's what I'm basically doing for a good minute or so. And I go in and I rinse the rice off, and then I go back in and I take a mason jar and I put the rice in the mason jar, and then I pour bottled water back into it, and I just let it be for 24 however long. The longest that I've done these past 2 months have been possibly a week and a half or whatever in between washes of my hair. And so you can either do that or let it sit and settle for 24 hours. It doesn't have to be a long time. That's unnecessary. I feel boiling the water, I feel it's unnecessary. I seen a few videos where they were boiling the water and stuff like that. I don't feel that's necessary. So basically that's all I did, and I went in and you can either leave the water in the mason jar, use a what do you call that? You can either leave it in the mason jar, the water itself, or you can put it in a spray bottle. I did either or throughout the 2 month span. And basically first I was putting it in my head, right once I got in the shower I was putting it in my head that way. And you can tell and feel a difference whenever you do that. The first time I did it, I can easily tell that the rice water was making my hair super soft. It was making my hair easy to detangle. But over time I went ahead and shampooed my hair first, and then after I shampooed, I put the rice water in my hair and let it sit for a good few minutes while I was doing washing up my body and stuff. And then I went in deep conditioned, or I conditioned my hair basically. So that's really the process. It's super easy. I didn't want to do anything overnight or anything leaving the rice water in my hair overnight. I've seen a video like that. It's just a lot. I just feel the simple way to do it really works on your hair. And basically that's all the steps that I did every single week. I did this consistently every single week for the past 2 months. And if you're wanting to know the benefits of rice water, nutrients that you need for hair growth, and it does contain vitamin B and vitamin E and amino acids. I can't pronounce the word, I'm gonna put it here, like here, Untitled, which helps promote hair growth as well. And doing that for the past 2 months has obviously grown your girl's hair back. Yes, this product the rice water has helped tremendously with my hair growth, tremendously with my let me go ahead and go into that. Basically the pros and the cons of using rice water for the past 2 months. Okay. It helps promote hair growth, and it overall strengthened my hair. It's gotten my hair back thicker because my hair was so thin. I'm just like, okay, something has to give. And that rice water really did help strengthen my hair. And it also helps to detangle your hair. Like, I didn't think that would be like a factor into it, but it really does help detangle my hair right before I make condition it or whatever, so it makes it super easy. Well, those are the pros of the of the rice water. Now the cons of the rice water is, and I know everybody hates this and I hate it too, I thought it wouldn't be like anything, it's not too bad, but over time it's like, I hate the smell of the rice water, y'all. Sometimes I endured it, and then other times I had to go in with a orange peel. I didn't use anything else but like an orange peel, and that helped eliminate the smell of the rice water. Not completely, but like 90% of it. So you just take an orange peel or whatever you have. I know some people done with, you know, essential oils. I don't feel like that's necessary. I don't want to disturb the what do you want to call it, the nutrients of the rice water. So that's the reason why I didn't use essential oils, even though it's still natural. So I just went in with the orange peel, and that helped tremendously. So the con, smell, like it's bad. It's bad. If you use rice water and you want to use it, I would suggest using some orange peels. And then the other thing is rice water is a protein for your hair, and doing too much protein, like you eventually get like a protein overload. And I didn't experience that until like the 2nd month, to be honest, like using consistently for 4 weeks. And then the 2nd month I was going to do it, it's like the same for the next like 4 weeks, but I didn't. I used it like every like other week because I could tell that my hair was getting too much protein. Having too much protein in my hair did cause my hair to become a little bit more brittle and a little bit more dry. So in the 2nd month, so what I did for the 2nd month is I basically did like that 1st week of the month, and then I skipped 2 weeks and I did it again like at the end of the month. So that's another con on the rice water. So try not to use it too much within the months, or whenever, or how often you use it. Just try not to use it like every single week, and you'll be good to go. So did the rice water help? That's the main question. Did the rice water help help my hair grow? And my overall answer would be yes. It really helped my hair to grow back. My hair was like in the pictures that you may have seen on my thumbnail, my hair was like new growth wise, it was like right there. And then adding that routine into my hair helped my hair grow till like right there. So my hair has came a long way, and on top of my hair growing, it has gotten back thicker, especially on this side. Like my hair is like super thick on this side. This is a step that I definitely will keep in my routine. I've been using it, I'm gonna continue to use it. I just won't use it as often. I will try to use it either once a month or 2 times a month while I'm still on my, well, this will be in my routine like from years to come. Still on my hair journey. I'm still using other things to help promote my hair growth. I've started to use this product. I'm not going to talk about it yet. I'm going to see how it goes. See, does it help? And I might bring it on camera. I'm not exactly sure. But in the meantime, between time, let me know down in the comment section if you ever use this product. Let me know down if you love it. So don't forget to make sure you like, comment, and subscribe down below to my channel. And until next time, guys, bye.